Hello my dear children, I welcome you all to the math class. Hope you all are fine and hope you all have studied hard to pass class 2, and congratulations to you all that you have been promoted to class 3. So children, in today's math class we all will discuss about the chapters that are inside the Math Magic book. This year you all will be having 3 math books, okay? Math Magic, Math Steps and Mental Maths, okay? So today we are going to discuss about the chapters which are in the Math Magic book. So let's start. Let's see what is inside this book. So the first chapter you will learn in this book is where to look from, and second chapter is fun with numbers. Okay, so in the first chapter we will see that different things look different in shapes when we look it from different directions, and in fun with numbers we will have fun with numbers, knowing more about different types of numbers. So for chapter 3, in chapter 3 we will learn about give and take. In chapter 4 we will learn about long and shorts. So chapter 3 basically deals with additions and subtractions. Okay, whenever we are giving something, at that time we need to subtract from the things which we had already, right? And whenever we are taking something, that means we are adding the things, yes, for us. So in give and take we will deal with additions and subtractions. And chapter 4 long and short, as the name itself represents, that in this chapter we will be learning different measurements, okay, and also the units of measurements. Next chapter is chapter 5 shapes and designs. Chapter 6 fun with give and take. So in chapter 5, as you can see in the picture, that we will learn about different shapes and different patterns which will be formed by using different shapes. And in chapter 6 fun with give and take, we will learn more thing about additions and subtractions, okay, when we need to subtract with different signs, okay, like -6 plus 5. So in this way we will see chapter 6 where we will learn more about additions and subtractions with different signs. So in chapter 7 we will learn time goes on, okay, in which we will learn about the different stages of growth along with the time. For example, you can see in the picture that few years ago you were baby, yes, now you are in the age of 7 to 8 years, and next year you will be more older. So in this way we will see in chapter 7 time goes on. In this way, in this chapter we will learn about the different months and years and the differences in those months and years. So the next chapter is chapter 8 who is heavier, in which we will deal with different types of weights and their units. So chapter 9 how many times, in which we will learn the tables and multiples. Next chapter, chapter 10 play with patterns, and chapter 11 jugs and mugs. So chapter 10 play with patterns, you can see we will learn about different patterns, and we will also make different patterns using different shapes. In chapter 11 jugs and mugs we will learn about the capacity and the unit of capacity, okay. So next Chapter 12 Can We Share and Chapter 13 Smart Charts. So can we share is basically the short form of division, okay, in which we will divide different numbers with another number. And chapter 13 is smart charts. We will learn to draw smart charts using different data given. Chapter 14 is the last chapter and it deals with rupees and paise. Here you will learn to convert rupees into pies and pies into rupees. So these are the chapters we will learn in Math Magic in class 3, children. So let us see once again what we are going to do in Math Magic this year. Chapter 1, Where to Look From. Chapter 2, Fun with Numbers. Chapter 3, Give and Take. Chapter 4, Long and Shorts. Chapter 5, Shapes and Designs. Chapter 6, Fun with Give and Take. Chapter 7, Time Goes On. Chapter 8, Who is Heavier? Chapter 9, How Many Times? Chapter 10, Play with Patterns. Chapter 11, Jugs and Mugs. Chapter 12, Can We Share? Chapter 13, Smart Charts. And Chapter 14, Rupees and Pies. So in tomorrow's class we will start with chapter 1. Okay, hope you are excited for the math class and you will learn many more things in coming days. Thank you, children. See you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.